So I'm Bradley Mills. This is my wife Nicole Mills. This farm has been in my family since 1935. We have had beef cattle here since the 70s. I've been managing the farm since 1994, and then my wife and I, we got married November of 2009, so it's about almost 7 years ago, and we've been working here together ever since. If a cow's not gaining more than 2 pounds a day, they won't put any intramuscular fat or marbling. So we're kind of keeping that consistent gain, throughout their life. The farms we work with, they grow cattle well and they do a good job, and they're gaining weight. And then our goal is to ensure they continue that steady weight gain. We want the aesthetics and the health aspects of a high fiber diet. Grass, and we feed grass and hay, and we feed triticale silage, which is a small grain silage. And then we also want to be able to supplement just enough with other fibers so that we can stay over 2 pounds a day of weight gain. So what we do is, there's a plant in North Carolina, in Winston-Salem, so it's 45 minutes from here, and they wet mill corn, and then they take all the sugar out. What we get is all fiber. And this has, to me, kind of a coffee fermented type smell. This is a little warm because it's pretty wet. These soybean hulls, and we feed about a load every 3 weeks or so. Yeah, some peanut skins in here, and you've got some cotton lint. We really enjoy raising quality cattle and having a delicious beef product for all of our customers.